In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out of your Telegram account. This is a simple process that only takes a few seconds, and it's useful when you want to switch accounts, secure your account on a shared device, or temporarily disconnect from Telegram. Whether you're using Telegram on your phone or tablet, this method works the same way. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Once the app loads, you'll see your chat list and all your conversations. Now, tap on the hamburger menu icon. This is the three horizontal lines located in the top left corner of your screen. This will open the main navigation menu where you can access various Telegram features and settings. From the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Settings. This will take you to the Telegram settings page where you can manage your account, privacy, notifications, and other preferences. Once you're in the settings page, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see three vertical dots. Tap on these three dots to open additional options. A small drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, select Log Out. This is the option that will disconnect your Telegram account from this device. After tapping Log Out, Telegram will show you a confirmation prompt asking if you're sure you want to log out. This is an important security step to prevent accidental logouts. Review the message carefully, then tap Confirm to proceed. Once you confirm, you'll be logged out of your Telegram account immediately. You'll be taken back to the welcome screen where you can either log in again with the same account or sign in with a different phone number. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your Telegram account. It's a quick and straightforward process that gives you full control over your account security. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.